How to pay credit card bill Maybank2u. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay credit card bill Maybank2u. To pay to Maybank credit cards on Maybank2u online banking, log in with your username and password. Now click on Pay and Transfer and select Pay. Then click on the drop-down menu and select Maybank credit card. Next, select the Maybank credit card to pay. Enter payment details and click Pay. Review payment details and click Confirm to proceed. The transaction is successful. Click on Save Receipt to download the transaction receipt. To pay to other banks' credit cards on Maybank2u online banking, log in with your username and password. Then click on Pay and Transfer and select Pay. Next, click on the drop-down menu and select Other Banks Credit Card. Click Add New Payee to pay to a new credit card if it was not previously added to the credit card list. Now enter the new credit card details and click Add. Verify card details and complete transaction signing to complete adding the new card. Following that, select the newly added credit card to pay from the credit card list. Finally, enter payment details and click Pay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.